To import a CSV file of users like this, you'll need to click the Sugar Cloud Settings link on the admin page. Then select Create Multiple Users option on the User Navigation Bar menu. Use this downloadable template to help importing go smoothly. Then find and select your CSV file. This screen gives you a preview of how Sugar Identity reads the CSV file. If it looks good, click Import. This page will give you the results of the import. You will still need to assign these new users to a license type. To do this, we'll just do a mass update on the users we just imported, which come in as an inactive status. So we'll just change the license type and the status to active. And that's how you import multiple users into the Sugar Cloud settings.